Is your PlayStation 5 struggling to stay stable when placed horizontally? Does every nudge feel like a disaster waiting to happen? You're not alone. Many gamers face this frustrating issue. But why settle for unstable gaming sessions when the solution is just one print away? Introducing the custom 3D printed horizontal stand from Crafty Bug Creations. Designed to fit perfectly, it keeps your PS5 stable, stylish, and secure. Now your PS5 is ready for action without the worry of wobbling or tipping over. Thank you, Crafty Bug Creations. Level up your gaming experience with Crafty Bug Creations, your go-to for 3D printing solutions. Get yours today and game with confidence.
Crafty Bug Creations, we make it right. 3D prints to level up your life. Stands, gifts, and so much more. Crafty Bug Creations, your go-to store.